Let's see what time it is. Oh, would you look at that? It's a whopping 3:53. This hour is almost up, and I only got one match in. Alright, then. So, I think the match was like, what, 3 minutes? So I spent spent most of the hour waiting to get into another match. It's like the seventh time now. I don't exactly know how long each waiting session was. Well, I was bored enough to go ahead and boot up the Fire Emblem Awakening demo in hopes that hopefully it would eventually find the game. This really is a misfire. Knowing Nintendo right now, they won't make up for this at all. I don't know why. I'm just pretty sure that they won't. Asset. Well, let's see. Can my wit be my greatest asset? Fine. Okay, let's see. Asset strength, flaw strength. Right, I keep forgetting. Play on Lunatic simply because I fucking can. Hello, not in Smash.
There are better places to take a nap than on the ground, you know.
Like in Smash?
You alright?
No, I'm not alright. I still can't get into a freaking Splatoon match.
Thank you, Crump.
I'm gonna die. Let's see what time it is again. Yeah, I think it's safe to say I think it's safe to say that it's fucked.